Struggling to find that crucial file just minutes before your Monday meeting? With Squirro, those days are over. Our cognitive search capabilities let you access the information you need in seconds, transforming how you manage knowledge. Squirro aggregates data from diverse sources, providing insights that boost decision-making and operational efficiency. Our platform offers rapid access to relevant information, advanced analytics, and sentiment analysis, so you can identify trends and changes within your data, as well as the reactions of customers or stakeholders. With these functions, Squirro helps you achieve your sales targets and elevate your sales management framework. Through augmented intelligence and insight-driven strategies, you can avoid churn and excel in the digital era. For instance, by integrating with customer relationship management systems like Salesforce, Squirro provides valuable insights and recommendations, empowering your sales teams with the data they need to thrive. Connecting these systems into a singular platform that includes all your company's data maximizes the insights you can gain. Also, Squirro has implemented a conversational AI system called Squirro GPT. You can now directly ask questions to your database like, "Where's that file?" and receive answers in simple language, such as, "The file is here and here is a summary." Cool, right? And not only we have implemented this, but we've been also recognized by Gartner in 2024 Market Guide as a representative vendor for conversational AI solutions. And we are the only European company to receive this recognition. Let's reframe. A system that connects answers to evidence across internal and external datasets, all while respecting enterprise permissions, and is so simple you can chat with it. Insightful and complex on the inside, but easy and accessible on your end. And as a final point, you can streamline risk, compliance, and audit management with Squirro. For instance, Squirro's generative AI helps create evidence-based reports from connected documents, streamlining the reporting processes and ensuring that all necessary information is included. Instead of reading all the documents yourself, you can set up the platform to sift through your data and draft those burdensome reports you need. Experience the future of business intelligence with Squirro. Visit our website to learn more.